What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Garrison from the Minecraft movie. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top. You want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top left side of each eye and draw a smaller circle coming in and then back out for a highlight. And then from the bottom of the eyes, let's move to the center and draw the bottom of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down and up. Move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now from the nose, we're going to step down, add another curve for the mouth. We're going to go up and then down. Step down, draw a short curve coming down, and then up. Now along the side, we're going to tuck the beard in underneath the lip. So on the left, we're going to step in, curve this around, and then up on the left, and then do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's go back up underneath the nose. We're going to tuck the mustache in underneath. We're going to go out and then down along the side. Now I want to curve the edge of the beard going around the eye, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the outside of the beard. We're going to come down, come across the middle, go around, and then back up towards the right side. Now, let's go back up to the top and draw the edge of the hair. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Now I'm going to add some strands coming over towards the left, coming down and over towards the eye. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add a point going up and in. Now let's curve the hair coming down and out along the side. Now I'm just going to tuck the head in underneath the hair. Now we're going to add some textured hair along the side of the head. Let's start back on the left, coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Step down, go out, and then down. Now we're going to go back and add in the eyebrows. Let's start from the inside of the left eye. We're going to add the brow coming in and up on both sides. Come back down, go up above the eye, and then out. Step up. We're just going to add some thickness going in behind the hair and then out. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to go back up to the top. We're going to separate the head with a straight line going up. Now we're going to draw on the left side. Start by going up, come down, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then bend that down. Now we're going to start to add some layers. We're going to step back up, come down and out, and then bend that in. Let's add the bottom layer. Stepping back, going out, in, and then out. Let's add a point, coming in and up. Step down, curve this in, and then up underneath the head. Now I want to go back and add a small fold underneath the eyes. So start on the left, coming down and out. Now we're going to move down and draw the inside of the jacket. Leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left. Coming straight down towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right. Just round up the hip, going out and then up. And then from here, go straight up and then bend that in underneath the head. In between, we're going to add a curve along the top for the collar. Step down and add a trim. From the bottom corners of the jacket, step up and add one more curve. Let's draw on the collar. Start from the top, step down, angles down and out, angles down and then in. Let's go back up. Draw the top half of the collar going up and then out, and then angle this in. Let's add a pattern along the outside of the shoulders. From the top of the body, step in, curve this out and then down, angle this down and back out. Now I'm going to trace this along the inside, coming in and and then up underneath the collar. Let's go back to the center. Step down, add a curve, going up and then down. And then leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's curve the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left side, we're going to come down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We draw the top of the foot, we're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. And then underneath the hips, we're going to step in, draw the outside of the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across. Now I want to add some tears across the pants. Let's start from the top, going up and then down, go back to the left, coming down and then up. Let's add some across the knees, and then also over on the right side. And now going back to the side of the body, let's draw the inside of the arms. Let's start on the left, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Now I just want to close this off, going up and then in towards the wrist. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up, step down, go out and then up with the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to bend this up and then in underneath the hair. Let's go back and separate the top of each finger with a curve for the edge of the glove. From the top of the thumb, we're going to add a curve going up and then out across the sleeve. Now I want to finish off by adding some tassels coming down across the outside of the arm. So let's start from the sleeve. We're going to bend this out and then down. Flatten out the end. I'm just going to bring this up and then in underneath the hand. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add some more tassels going up along the sides. From the bottom, we're going to step up, draw a short line going out, follow that curve going in towards the side of the arm. I'm just going to do that one more time, going up and in, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Garrett Garrison from the Minecraft movie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.